Well, I've started working on the door pillar support. See, I've got it in place, got it cut. I'll show you what I did at the top here. It's, let me see if I can get a little bit better light on it here. I put a plate, I'll pull this out and show you better, but I kind of colored the holes in there. Those are the holes that will be drilled. There is a plate welded onto the back side of that angle there and over here. And I got those two holes. That third hole at the top I'm going to fill with weld, which you can see it matches up pretty good. Oops. And the issue is that you come down to the bottom and then this plate right here, it doesn't quite square up with it. So what I'm going to do is get the top part put into place and then either bend a little bit of the angle into place, take this angle, the face of this angle here, and bend it down a little bit so that it'll be more parallel to that. I already notched it just a smidgen because it didn't seem like it wanted to fit. But you gotta, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of stinking holes there. We're gonna use a couple of them. We're gonna fill the rest with weld. But anyway, I got this cut out down here real well that and you can kind of see it's nice and smooth. Let me take this thing out and I'll show you what I did. All right, this is better. This is the, see the bend in it? And I took and welded a plate on the, goes on the inside. This is the outside of the angle. And I will have 3 holes on this side and 2 on this. And what I'm going to do is drill holes and then weld nuts behind that. And what I want to get is the flathead slotted screws, or the tapered machine screws, so it'll look like original. That's what I'm after. Anyway, here's the what I did down at the bottom. You see that taper cut that I put on it. That's it. Put a little notch here because I thought that would alleviate that standoff a little bit, and it didn't do much for me. So, but that's okay. It didn't hurt anything. But yeah, I've been working on it probably about an hour or so here, trying to get this all set. And I took and just welded. It was a crappy weld there, but got her welded, and so it'll be strong. But what's nice with that bolted into place like that, you see, you bolt that up, and let's put this like that will strengthen. That's now the top is tightened or tied in, and then I will do the same at the bottom here, and it will tie that bottom in. And then what we're going to do is this little bit of a trim edge here that wraps around. This we'll take and we'll form that around that, and there's little tiny holes in it or nails fasten this to the original wood structure. So in order to keep with an original look, I'm going to take and put drill little tiny holes into that angle iron. Hopefully I got enough room to do that. And once I get those into place, come up with some type of a small, I don't know, haven't really decided yet, maybe a little, some sort of a rivet or something that I could put into that, but or just a little tiny screw. But anyway, she's coming along. Just thought I'd let you see the progress that's being accomplished today.